Imagine waking up one day and realizing your brain isn't as sharp as it used to be. You struggle to focus, your memory seems foggy, and your emotions feel out of control. What if I told you that your smartphone might be the reason? Studies show that excessive smartphone use is rewiring your brain in ways you never imagined. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a powerful detox strategy to take back control of your mind. Smartphones have become an inseparable part of our lives. We use them for everything: work, socializing, entertainment, and even relaxation. But could this convenience be costing us our mental health? In this video, we'll explore the latest scientific research on how smartphone addiction is damaging your brain, the before and after effects, and what you can do to reverse it. The hidden damage: how smartphones are changing your brain. 1. Reduced attention span and focus. Before, you could read a book for hours or focus deeply on a task. After, you find yourself constantly distracted, switching between apps, and unable to concentrate for long. A 2023 study published in the journal Nature Communications found that people who use their phones excessively had decreased gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and focus. This is similar to the changes seen in drug addicts. 2. Memory decline. Are we forgetting more? Before, you used to remember phone numbers, birthdays, and important details easily. After, you rely entirely on your smartphone for even the simplest reminders. A 2024 study from the University of California found that over-reliance on smartphones for storing information reduces our ability to form strong memories. Instead of actively engaging our brains, we offload thinking to our devices, leading to cognitive laziness. 3. Emotional instability and anxiety. Before, you felt emotionally balanced, enjoying real-world interactions. After, you feel anxious, irritable, and emotionally drained, checking your phone constantly. A 2024 research paper from King's College London revealed that constant smartphone notifications increase cortisol levels, the stress hormone, leading to heightened anxiety and decreased emotional resilience. The before and after effects on different aspects of life. 1. Sleep quality, the silent destroyer. Before, you slept deeply and woke up refreshed. After, you struggled with falling asleep, waking up groggy and exhausted. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Research shows that people who use their phones an hour before bed experience poor sleep quality, leading to fatigue and mood swings. 2. Social skills, the vanishing art of real conversations. Before, you had meaningful face-to-face interactions. After, conversations feel forced and social anxiety increases. People who spend more time on screens have weaker interpersonal skills. A study from Stanford University found that heavy smartphone users struggle with reading facial expressions and maintaining deep conversations. 3. Productivity and mental energy, the drain effect. Before, you were efficient, completing tasks without distractions. After, you multitask constantly but accomplish less. Constant phone checking disrupts deep work. Studies show that after checking a notification, it takes around 23 minutes to regain focus. This repeated cycle leads to mental exhaustion. The smartphone detox, how to reverse the damage. 1. Set screen time limits. Use built-in screen time features to track and limit daily usage. Research suggests that cutting screen time to under 2 hours daily can significantly improve cognitive function. 2. Digital fasting, the 24-hour detox challenge. Commit to a full day without your smartphone. This reset can significantly reduce anxiety and improve focus. 3. No phone zones. Create specific areas where phone use is prohibited, like the bedroom, dining table, and work desk. For blue light blockers and night mode. Reduce blue light exposure in the evening to improve sleep. 5. Replace digital habits with offline activities. Instead of scrolling endlessly, engage in hobbies, exercise, and real-world social interactions. Your smartphone isn't inherently bad, but overuse is rewiring your brain in ways that affect focus, memory, sleep, and emotional well-being. The good news: you have the power to reverse the damage with simple yet effective detox strategies. Try these methods and experience the transformation for yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's reclaim our minds together.